Wish is the second most popular shopping app in the world, second only to Amazon. It's a direct from China shopping app that lures bargain hunters. But here's the thing. Can a site that sells $8 sweaters and $3 engagement rings really offer great quality? We ordered a bunch of stuff to try to find out. So this is our knockoff Chanel. First impressions, definitely isn't leather. Looks cheap, feels cheap, but you know, for a couple of bucks, that's what you're gonna get. Oh my God, this is our evening gown. Kind of feels like a combination between tissue paper and like graduation gowns that you rent. This is the clutch wallet that we ordered. This so far is probably my favorite. Inspired by the shirting trend, we ordered this striped white and blue shirt dress that actually looked kind of cute in the photos. It kind of looks like grandpa's pajamas. This is an $8 sweater. This is what you get for $8. Looks kind of like an airline blanket. Okay, this is our dollar necklace. We've got this layered gold necklace that appears to not have gotten too tangled en route to us. For $1, you know what? This is not bad. What Wish has going for it is a ton of product, a ton of choices, and very, very, very low prices. Personally, I would never order from Wish again. I think that shipping took way, way, way too long. And also, frankly, I think you can get way better stuff at like Forever 21 or H&M around the corner. That way you actually get to try it on yourself and you don't get, you know, unpleasant surprises like this one.